Hello and welcome back to CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So today we gonna discuss about Java threads. What does Java threads do? Threads allow a program to operate more efficiently by doing multiple things at the same time. So let me enclose it in comments for better understanding. Threads allow a program to operate more efficiently by doing multiple things at the same time. So threads can be used to perform the complicated tasks in the background without interrupting the main program. So let us discuss creating a thread at the end. For now, let's try a problem to understand better regarding threads. So let's get started. So let me give public class test extends thread implements runnable. Now let me give public void run. Now here let me print CSI V code. For that let me give system.out.println CSI V code. Now let me give public static void main. String args. Throws interrupted exception. Now let me give test object is equals to new test. Let me give object.run object.start. Now since we are done with the code, now pause the video and find out the appropriate output. So it's 3, 2, 1 and go. So let's run and check out and see what happens. See, there is an error in the line 50. Since we did not give a semicolon, error occurs. So I hope you don't make such silly things. So now, as informed earlier, let's discuss about creating a thread. Fine, let me give it in comments for better understanding. Creating So there are two methods. For that, let me write creating a method, creating a thread. Two methods of creating a thread. So very first one is by extending the thread. The thread. Or else we can do it by overriding its run method. I hope you all understood it, guys. So see you soon. Thank you.